Welcome back to my channel, guys. Arabic is on. If you want to learn Arabic, to speak, to write, to read Arabic dialects at the end of the video, stay tuned for that. At the end of the video, there's going to be a bonus Arabic dialect sentence in every video, as well as the Arabic alphabet, writing, reading, speaking, all around Arabic, all aspects, different aspects, as much as I could, cramped up in this tiny little short video. Please stay tuned, watch, subscribe to the channel, like, share to everybody who wants to learn Arabic, and please comment down below. For Tagalog comments are really welcome. If you want to comment something in Filipino and Tagalog, I will respond to that. If there's a certain sentence in Arabic that you want to translate, in Tagalog that you want to translate in Arabic, comments are welcome. Comment down below. Welcome back to Arabic is on. This is lesson number 8 at this point, and I'm so happy that we've reached this far. Only maybe 5 more lessons. We're gonna study more vowels, long vowels this time. Okay, so last video we studied about the vowel fatha, dhamma, kasra, and also sukun, and also shadda. Okay, and then we studied so far hamza, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. So basically, let's memorize these together. It'll be easy. Grouping them together will be easy. Ba, ta, tha. And then grouping these 3 together will also be easy. Jim, ha, kha. Okay, the lighting is not very good. Okay, I hope this lighting is better. There's some shadowing coming. The sun has moved a little bit. Sorry about that. So today we are going to study about the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th letter of the Arabic letter, which is going to be dal, 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 dal. So this is equivalent to letter D in English. Dal, dal. Okay. Let's put it into usage. This is one of the letters that we don't connect. We connect it right before it, like this. We put a connector and then the dal, but we don't connect it after. There's no connecting after the dal. In the middle, it looks also like this. At the end, it looks like this. At the middle, at the end, and then the beginning, it looks like this. No connecting, not before, not after. Okay? So dal, that's how we write it, beginning, middle, end. Okay, so let's use the vowels with it. Da, do, di. Okay, let's put it in a word. Dub, do, ub. See, we didn't connect it with the ba. Why? Because it's one of the letters that you connect right before it. You don't connect after it. You put a connector before it, no connecting after it. So dal with dhamma is do, 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 and then ba with sukun is dub, dub, dub. So this is how we read it. Dub. The ba has no vowel. It has no vowel, so there's no vowel right after it. So you read it as dub. Dub. All right, so okay, that doesn't show. Okay, da, b, adab, adab, adab. Adab has a meaning, so we use the hamza, dal with fatha, and then ba with sukun, no vowel after it. So adab means literature or manner. Okay, literature or manner. Adab. Okay, what else? Da, this has no meaning, it's just an example. The, fi, kha. Da, fi, kha. Just to practice the reading. Dal with fatha, da. Tha with kasra, fi. And then kha with fatha, kha. Da, this is the dal, the fatha, the tha, the kasra, and the kha, and the fatha. Da, fi, kha, da, fi, kha. Th, 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 kh, da, fi, kh. This is how you read it. All right, more examples. Ba, ba, two dots, two. D, see, there's a connector, and then the dal, and then the kasra. Ba, 2D, so this is the ba, fatha. Ta, dhamma. Dal, kasra. See, short vowels equivalent to fatha, dhamma, kasra. Ba, 2D, again, no meaning, just an example. To put into usage what we studied so far of the Arabic alphabet and the short vowels of Arabic, so that we'll be able to practice our reading, writing, speaking, and there's going to be a dialect sentence bonus at the end. If you have comments in Tagalog down below or English, please comment, ask me. If you want to translate anything in Tagalog or English into Arabic, please comment down below. Okay, what else? Another example. Ta, ha, ja, dal, da, okay? Ta, ja, hi, do. Again, no meaning. Example. Ta, with fatha, so this is the fatha. Jim with fatha. Ha with kasra. And then dal with dhamma. Dhamma. Tajahidu. 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 Actually, tajhadu has a meaning. Let's write that. Ta, ja, taj, ha, do. Tajhadu. Tajhadu means she forgets about the favor. She forgets about the favor. So that's the ta with fatha, jim with sukun, so no vowel, and then ha with fatha, and then dal with dhamma. Tajhadu. Tajhadu means she forgets about the favor. She forgets about the favor. Tajhadu. Okay, time for this sentence bonus. Different dialects at the end of this video, like promised in every lesson, so that we'll learn different aspects of the Arabic language, speaking, writing, reading, pronunciation, all around, little this, little that, in order to grasp the whole idea of the Arabic language. A very beautiful, complex language. Okay. What is the sentence for today? Let's say, hello. How are you? Okay. Hello, how are you? Yeah. Hello, welcome, how are you? Let's add something to that. Okay. So in book Arabic, we're gonna know what that means in book Arabic, in Gulf dialect, in Syrian dialect, and in Egyptian dialect. By the way, guys, Egyptian is understood in all across Arab countries, Egyptian dialect. And something else is that if you wanna learn and grasp the idea of Arabic alphabet, reading, writing, pronunciation, dialects, all around, please just refer to the other videos and other lessons. You're gonna learn a lot, hopefully, and benefit a lot from them. Share, like, subscribe this video, comment down below if you have anything you want to translate from Filipino or English to Arabic. So, hello, welcome, how are you? How do we say that in book Arabic? Okay, we say in book Arabic, marhaba, marhaban, marhaba, marhaban, ahlan, أهلا كيف حالك كيف حالك كيف حالك. That means hello, welcome. So you'll say marhaban, they'll say ahlan, and then you say كيف حالك, how are you? In Gulf Arabic they say hala. Okay, they say hala for hello, and hello, hala, ومرحب. Maybe they will say marhab, hello, marhab. Mostly they will just say hala, and then shlonik. كيف حالك, how are you, is shlonik. Ish شلونك شلونك هلا ومرحب هلا شلونك هلا شلونك. In Syrian they say each dialect has a feel, of course. You'll find them pronouncing it differently. Some dialects seem strong, some seem fast, some seem soft, so it'll depend. Syrian they say أهلين مرحبا 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 أهلين أهلين welcome مرحبا أهلين كيفك كيفك means how are you. And then finally the Egyptian dialect, they say, okay, in Egyptian dialect they basically say ازيك for everything. Like, that's what I've noticed. Sorry about that line. They say ازيك يا عم ازيك means basically it is the one word that works for hi and hello and welcome and how are you, actually. ازيك يا أهلا وسهلا يا أهلا وسهلا. They say أهلا وسهلا for the welcoming. أهلا يا أهلا وسهلا 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 يا أهلا وسهلا. Okay, so that's welcome. أهلا. Okay, أهلا يا أهلا وسهلا. ازيك, how are you. So أهلا, welcome. يا أهلا وسهلا, also welcome. ازيك is like how are you. Okay, so basically you'll say مرحبا أهلا كيف حالك in book Arabic. In Gulf they say هلا هلا ومرحبا شلونك. And then in Syrian they say مرحبا أهلين كيفك مرحبا أهلين كيفك. The same order. Okay, the same order. Hello, welcome, how are you. And then Egyptian is like أهلا يا أهلا وسهلا ازيك يا أهلا وسهلا ازيك. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe, like the video, share to whoever wants to learn Arabic, reading, writing, speaking, pronunciation, dialects, from the beginning, all the basics and more, the Arabic alphabet and more. Thank you very much for watching. Arabic is on. See you next time in the next video. Thank you for watching.